Hi everyone! Today we'll be using two pointers to solve an easy Leetcode question. Given two strings, s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. In this case, a, c, e is a subsequence of t, whereas a, e, c is not a subsequence of t. Now, let's visualize the solution. First, we have an s pointer at the start of the string and a t pointer also at the start of the string. Since a matches with a, we need to increment both pointers forward to now at index 1. And since c does not match with b, we need to shift the t pointer forward to continue checking the rest of the string to the index at 2. And since now we have a match, we need to shift both pointers forward again. And since e does not match with d, we shift forward the t pointer to index 4 and compare. Since we have a match, we need to increment the t index again to 5 and the s index again to 3. However, since we have the length of the s string to be 3 and the length of the t string to be 5, 3 and 5 are obviously not less than the length of their respective strings, so we have come to the end of the loop. And finally, we compare. Since the s index matches with the length of the string s, 3 matches with 3, so we have successfully found that s is a subsequence of t. Now, let's take a look at another example. Again, we have pointers at the start of both strings at index 0. Since a matches with a, we need to shift both pointers forward and update the indexes to 1 respectively. Since e does not match with b, we need to shift the t pointer forward until we find a match, and this is at the end of the string. So we update the index to 4. And since e matches with e, we need to shift forward the s index to 2 and update the t index now to 5. But since the length of the t string is also 5 is not less than 5, so we have come to the end of the loop. And we check, is this s index equal to the length of the string s, which is 3? 2 is not equal to 3, so in this case, s is not a subsequence of t. Now, let's code out the solution. First, we initialize both the t pointer and s pointer to 0 at the start of both strings, and as long as there is still a portion of the string to check, we want to continue the loop. If we find a match between the s string and t string, we want to increment both pointers Otherwise, we just increment the t pointer to continue checking the t string. At the end, if the s pointer has reached the end of the string, return true, otherwise return false. Now this solution runs in linear time because we're only going through either of the string once, and with the pointer approach, we do not take any additional memory. There we go.